was talking on aim and stealing your heart, that was never my aim. See, I let you leave and now nothing's the same. I'm picking your brain, you pick me apart. I'm picking your heart, you left me in dark. I guess all the pain and the hurt and the worry you left me with turned to the shell of a star. Damn, do we end arm in arm, or are we Armageddon? Guess you never know, cause you never let him show you how he love and he trust and he can about all of his shows, but you never were there. So let's really see if you cared. Knew if you needed, then he would be there. To put all the blame onto you isn't fair, but all you care about is your makeup and hair. You're taking a selfie, I'm taking your shit. I see all your pics, I see who you picked, and just know it eats me alive. You're happy with him, that you're happy with him. Damn, I'm jealous creeping through your Instagram and find myself asking why the fuck that I still give a damn about you, about us. Like Mark, give her the fuck up. And although I hate his guts, I gotta give your man that thumbs up, cause he was bringing you close. Now he's with the one I'm wanting the most. One minute I hate you, 1 minute I love you, and right now I'm writing and feeling them both. I can't stop. Thought about you, cursed with a hurt, it's no wonder I found you. Stuck here, I'm drinking and thinking about you. All of my friends say I'm better without you. Better without you, right? Thought I found you on the darkest night. Could've shown you what a red carpet's like. Rode up on a dark horse the darkest night. And the girl's flowing like water now. Wanna give her my heart, but it's watered down. And honestly, let's keep it real. See, I'm just jealous that you found love, and I'm searching for it still. All of these girls are dry and lame. I want complex so that we can build. Nothing's out of my league. You ain't in my lane, and whenever we talk now, it's never the same. Be putting your friends on is bringing me pain, and I just wanna get you up out of my brain, out of my brain. Never been one for past tenses, so know that I'm moving forward. Before I finish this sentence, I crumble when in your presence. Red time in my mind like tenants. So sorry, I'm so offensive. It's hard just being your friend, and in the end, I look stupid. The time I spent was useless. The truth is, honestly, girl, I miss you and
just want it up, just want it up. I just want it up, I just want it up. And we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss, you can fall back. Yeah, yeah, I swear I'm in my zone. The top is where I'm going. When I'm there, I'm wanting all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want it all. Alright, I'm climbing harder, I'm grinding harder. Alright, so far back, and what it takes to be great. Faith is what you call that, so now it's time to do it big. I'm talking all caps in this camera time. No man to bombs, but I swear I'm wanting all that. Man, I got driving, I don't need to switch lanes. Always got some big dreams, been like that since 5th grade. Yeah, they say I'm good now, but man, I'd rather get great. And don't you ever get down, cause you know that it will change. No, help my own sponsor, call me Young King now. Go and watch me conquer. Shout out to my exes, check out all my concerts. They say I'm a bad man, call me Aaron Rodgers. Can't stop yet, gotta do it for my family now. When the booth, gotta dream about the Grammy sound. 1150 where the hell my boy Danny now. It's amazing how the days trying to slam me down. Gotta get up, never ever make sure that I'll give up. Man, I tell 'em. And we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss, you can fall back. Yeah, yeah, I swear I'm in my zone. The top is where I'm going. When I'm there, I'm wanting all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. Alright, now use it as some fire. Figure how they hurt you. Go and bring it home now. Treat it like a curfew. Everything takes time. Patience is the virtue. Haters advertise me. Thanks for the commercial. Why you always down, kid? Gotta pick your head up. And just because they left you don't mean that you should let up. Gotta gotta go and blast off. No Sanchez, but a jet up. It's just me and my dreams, and I'm happy that we met up. And I'm feeling like it's crunch time. I remember days scraping change in a lunch line. Got a little pretty smart thing, but she done fine. Never ever satisfied, I don't think I've done fine. Can't make a move if you snooze, get up. Make sure that you don't get too down and never ever get up. No friends ain't always good friends, don't count on them to pick up. I'm about to get my shot like a stick up. For enough, yeah.
And we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss, you can fall back. Yeah, yeah, I swear I remember some. The top is where I'm going, when I'm there, I'm wanting all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. And we've been working hard, so if you ain't on this love, you can hold. Yeah, yeah, I swear I remember saying the top is where I'm going, when I'm there, when all that. Yeah, yeah, and we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss, you can fall back. Yeah, yeah, I swear I remember some. The top is where I'm going, when I'm there, I'm wanting all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that. Yeah, and I just want it all, and I just want it all, and I just want all that.